In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pair Claude and GPT to build a full-stack app fast. We'll begin by setting up both AIs. Install either the CLI tools or the VS Code extensions for each. For Claude, use the Claude Code or Claude extension, sign into your Anthropic account, and ensure you have access to the latest models like Sonnet 4 or Opus 4.5. For GPT from OpenAI, install the ChatGPT or GPT-4 extension, or the GPT CLI, add your API key securely and verify everything with a quick test like running GPT model GPT-4 in your terminal. Keep your credentials private and stored in environment variables. Next, choose the tech stack you want to build with. Decide on a front end such as React with Next.js and Tailwind, a backend like Node.js with Express or Fast API, a database such as PostgreSQL or MongoDB, and an authentication approach using JWT or OAuth. Make these choices upfront so both AIs can generate coherent, compatible code. Assign clear roles so they complement each other. Claude excels at architecture, multi-step reasoning, debugging, best practices, and chaining tasks. GPT is great for quick code generation, snippets, small functions, and fast refactors. Create a new project folder and open it in VS Code with mkdir my project, cd my project, then code. Open the Claude and GPT sidebars so both are ready to help. Use Claude to scaffold the project. Prompt it like this. Act as a senior full-stack engineer, scaffold a Next.js plus Node plus PostgreSQL app, include authentication and responsive design, and explain the steps while creating folders and files. Claude should return a clear folder structure, base files, and multi-step instructions to follow. When you need quick pieces of code, switch to GPT. For example, ask it to generate a React login form with email and password validation using Tailwind CS. Paste the snippets into the appropriate files as Claude outlined. If anything breaks or looks suspicious, have Claude review the code. Ask it to analyze backend logic, point out security issues, and